Hello everyone, welcome to another Lighthouse tips and tricks short video. Today we're gonna check out a couple of tricks that's gonna make your life a lot easier working with Comfy. So let's check it out. We're gonna be testing those tricks on a wonderful upscaling workflow from Milan Kastenmuller, and I must say it's one of the best upscaler workflows out there. It beats a lot of commercial upscalers and I use it regularly. We'll post the link to workflow in comments. Alright. Trick number 1. For example, we see that we have a load image batch node. This is great if you have loads of images and you want to upscale them overnight. So sometimes you just want to upscale one image and you need to reconnect to every input, but there's a better way to do that. Press Shift and click on Output, and now you can drag all your connections to your node. Just press Run and you will upload just one image. Trick number 2. If you want to reroute your connections, you can do that easily by going to drag your output connection, release it, and click on Reroute. And now you can, go a long way and just add your node. But there's another way. So let's go back. You can alt-click on your connection and have a reroute. But what you can also do is drag your connections out of the reroute node. Like so. Wasn't the right node, but you get the gist. Trick number 3. Let's run this workflow. So if you don't know where you are, which node is active, is working, you can just click on your green bar here, green progress bar, and you will get centered right directly to the node that's active. If you want to see the whole workflow, just press the dot button on your keyboard and you will zoom out to see all the nodes. Trick number 4. Let's try to break this workflow. So for example, I will go to control net model and I will put, let's put depth anything. Okay, and now let's run this workflow and we will absolutely run into an error. But I want to show you something. Okay, so here is an error. And sometimes your workflow is just too big to find the troubling node manually. So what you can do is just click on the red progress bar and you will be centered to the node that's giving you issues. Alright, that was it. Very short video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. So thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.